Okay, we're here at a Maxell booth, and it looks like they got a new product coming to Canada in August, I believe. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And this is the AirStash. So what exactly is this?
Ian, the AirStash is the world's first wireless flash drive. And what makes the AirStash different than any other device on the market is that it uses removable SD storage. So you can use micro SD cards, standard SD cards, or SDXC cards. Okay. So the capacity can be anywhere really from 2 gig to 2 terabyte. That's what makes it different. And up to store a movie. Correct.
Few movies.
Multiple movies.
Right.
Also, what makes this device very different is its battery life. Its battery life is 7 to 10 hours on a single charge. It uses the latest in battery technology, which is lithium polymer batteries. Charging is simple. You just put it in a USB port on a computer or in a cigarette lighter adapter in your car. Or if you have an Apple device, just use the charger that came with your Apple device. No cables, no wires, no clutter. Perfect device to take on vacation, perfect device to take to Disney or a theme park. Very, very simple. Let me show you how it works. Very simple. Simply, I have my information on my SD card inside the AirStash. I just power it on. And now the AirStash creates its own Wi-Fi network.
How does it do that?
It does that by basically taking all my documents, all my movies, all my music, podcasts, anything I can put on here, and broadcasting over its own network. There's no need for internet, there's no need for Wi-Fi. It creates its own hotspot. So basically I could take the AirStash now, put it in my pocket, and I'll go on my iPad here, and we'll go into settings. And you can see it's already found my AirStash from my pocket.
Interesting.
So now I'll go into the free app, which is right here.
And it's available on all platforms?
Yes. Apple, Android, anything really that's Wi-Fi with the exception of BlackBerry.
Okay. Is BlackBerry coming?
BlackBerry is not, only because of the inconsistency. The AirStash is a media server, and not all BlackBerries will handle media that's served to it. So on my AirStash now I have documents, movies, music, photos, podcasts. You see all the data I have there. So let me select movies, and we'll take Inception. What's really different about this feature is that we can basically resume from the last position or start at the beginning. So you could have 3 children in the back of a car basically watching the same movie from different starting points. So let's resume from last.
Pretty cool.
And now we're playing a movie. Now what's really great about this is the high-speed scrubbing. I can basically take from this point, move to whatever point I want. You notice no distortion in the text, no distortion in the picture whatsoever. If I miss something, I could basically drag it back to the beginning. It's going to continue to play.
That's great.
Now, while the video was playing on my iPad, I can basically take my iPhone, go on to the AirStash network, go into settings, again, find the AirStash, right there. It found it, you see the check mark next to it, go into the AirStash app, and now I have a listing of everything again. And this time, instead of watching a movie, maybe what I want to do is look at photos. So here are my photos. Now what really makes this product unique is that...
So you got your photos going there, you got your video playing here.
Right.
How many devices can you connect at one time?
It could be up to 3 movies that are streaming at the same time. It could be up to 8 people looking at photos, or up to 8 people looking at documents.
Okay.
But what's really nice about this is that, like I said, if I'm on that vacation and my phone or my iPad fills up, I hit this little camera icon here. I hit export to AirStash.
You can store it wirelessly too.
I could save everything. So if my phone fills up, I hit this button to select all. I then hit the next button there. Everything on my iPhone now will go to my AirStash wirelessly. Great. No
Awesome.
cables, no wires. So there's no need to bring anything with you except the air stash and a little mobile charger.
It's brilliant. And how much is this going to cost?
This is $149.99, and what we give you with this, we give you a 8 gig starter card.
Oh, great.
So it's not a toy without batteries. It comes with the starter card as well.
Brilliant. All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.